As the NBA regular season comes to a close and the playoffs take center stage, the signs are there that this season is the signaling of the changing of the guard in the NBA. The top team in the West is the Oklahoma City Thunder. The top team in the East is the Cleveland Cavaliers. Two of the youngest teams in the league. Add the Houston Rockets and the Minnesota Timberwolves to that mix. And even the defending champions, the Boston Celtics, they are still a relatively young team. They are all looking to topple the aging dynasties led by LeBron James and Steph Curry and Kevin Durant, etc. This upcoming postseason should definitely be the decider for who are the new or the old kings of the NBA. As far as predictions go, we'll take it series by series. Overall, though, I have the reigning champions, the Boston Celtics, to outlast the field in the East and to face from the West their old rivals, the Los Angeles Lakers, in the final. I will tell you the winners later.